This is my Exam 5 video about phylogenetic trees. A phylogeny tree is the branching diagram that depicts the relationships and evolution of species through their genes and characteristics. Phylogeny trees also highlight the physical and genetic differences in species that are seemingly related. There are two types of phylogenetic transformations known as anagenesis and cladogenesis. Anagenesis is the evolution within a single lineage, while cladogenesis is when a single lineage breaks off, forming two lineages that begin evolving independently of one another. These concepts are depicted in the picture below. There is some terminology to cover before jumping into our phylogeny tree example. The first word to know is OTU, which describes categorical units on a phylogeny tree that are based on the differences and similarities in their DNA sequence. Our next word is rooted tree, which describes a type of phylogeny tree that shows the distance between OTUs and shows the order in which the OTUs diverge. These differ from unrooted trees, which do not show the order of divergence in a species. Our next word is outgroup, which is an OTU that is least related to all other OTUs on a tree. While it stems from the base of a phylogenetic tree, it does not share a most recent common ancestor with other OTUs on the diagram. These are used to determine order of divergence. It is also important to note that an internal node is a checkpoint on a phylogeny tree that shows common ancestors and can show where species diverge even while not explicitly labeled. And finally, we have the term most recent common ancestor, which describes the most recent individual in which all OTUs in a tree are descended. Here we have the beginning of a phylogenetic tree describing the lineage of social media and applications. At the first node, which is depicted by a smiley face, we have Facebook and Instagram. These are the two most closely related platforms because they allow people to post their life through photos. Cladogenesis had to occur in order for these species to diverge. Next off of this node is Snapchat. While it is also a photo sharing app, it focuses on more personal communication than public posting like Instagram and Facebook. Because this app is in its own category and developing in its own lineage, one could observe anagenesis as it develops and evolves. From these OTUs, Twitter and Ask.fm diverge next. They are very similar in which people use them to post their thoughts and are more casual than Instagram or Facebook. The difference is Ask.fm involves anonymous postings, while Twitter is public to your identity. Next to diverge are the video platform apps Musical.ly and TikTok. Musical.ly is an app focused on lip-syncing videos, while TikTok focuses on casual skits and everyday videos from your daily life. The video platform app Vine shares a node with Musical.ly and TikTok. It is known for being a video app much like TikTok, however only allows 6-second clips to be posted. Because this app is in its own lineage, it has room to expand and evolve through anagenesis. And finally, we have LinkedIn, which is the outgroup of this phylogeny tree. It is a website and app used for job searching and is much more professional than the other apps listed, making it its own separate category, all while still being a social platform nonetheless.